the birthday cake, because it's my birthday. We have made it to the hotel and it's valet parking, so we're gonna take all our stuff out, which I wasn't mentally prepared to do. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi.
Hello, vlog.
Hello, buddy. Okay. We just got here, y'all. How long will we last? All right, so we're returning that without breaking it. Oh my goodness, look!
I have my other ones.
Oh my goodness. In the car. Mind you, me and her have not been to Disneyland since 2021.
Like 3 years? 4 years? 3 years.
We've been other times was separate.
But together.
Oh, Macie, I gotta show you something actually. Hold on. So, Jackie got me this present last year. Mm-hmm. Shout out to Jackie. When you watch this, girl, I haven't shown Macie at all. I have not shown her this gift you got me.
Oh my goodness.
We're about to go to downtown Disney right now. This is the OOTD shirt from Dee Dee's. These sweats from my mall and the Mickey Mouse Crocs. So the Uber is 2 minutes away. And this is the hair. This is let me out. Thank you. We made it. Yeah. So cool. These are the ears I want. Look at these ears. And then you said a sticker?
Yes. We all set to go.
But now I got the ears, so that's all I want. Time to go home. That's good. She said she's been waiting an hour for me.
An hour and a half for you to wake up.
I noticed she waited for 12 to tell me happy birthday. Oh.
You only have 30 minutes to wait and you couldn't stay awake until your birthday.
So, yeah, we got to go to Target and an adult place. And then we'll be coming back and getting dressed to go to the parks. So stay tuned.
Turn right.
How much do you expect? Only $10, but they're cute.
Okay guys, I didn't vlog this part, but I'm about to get in the shower and get dressed. So after, I'll show you everything. I have clothes on, but just let me know. I'm about to get dressed. All right, see you in a bit. There we go. Yay! Okay. Yeah, it's good. It's all, girl. It's on the neck. It's on the neck. Neck.
Are you boyfriend?
Yeah. I said ibuprofen. Ibuprofen. Yeah. Oh, you're in another. Give me one. Give me another one.
Yeah. What flavor you want?
It don't matter. Thank you. All right, let's go fill the water bottle up. We look so pretty.
I know.
We look so
we look like princesses.
We do. They're gonna hate. They better love us. Appreciate this.
So which one you going to first?
Disney.
Disney?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I love your outfit.
Thank you so much. Okay, guys, so we're about to go check in. The way these glasses switch my nose, but yeah.
This was really quick. I didn't.
We just keep grading. I'm so glad we took that Jack Daniels.
Girl,
I feel so much relaxed.
like, calm you down a little bit. I'm a little weak, you know.
Just look.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Hi. Do you guys have any more birthday buttons too? Yay! Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, you have good handwriting.
He has great handwriting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Popcorn sounds good. Thank you. That is Essence.
Essence?
Yeah. Where are you gonna take us, sir?
You know what?
What?
Where do you see Daisy? Oh, there she is. And there's the castle. I need a thumbnail, so. All right. So, do you want to meet princesses or go on rides?
Princesses, because they're not there all day.
Okay, yeah. Let's find them. Where would they be?
I'm assuming through the castle.
Thank you. How does this happy birthday? Thank you.
Hi, Macie. Nice to see you. Yes, of course. I know, right? Nice to see you. What are you celebrating today?
My best friend's birthday
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Exciting. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Essence.
Essence. Wonderful to see you both today. You must be mermaids too.
Oh,
you are. Oh my goodness. What color mermaid tails do you have? What are your favorite colors?
Oh, my favorite color is green. You know, original
Oh my
mermaid.
goodness.
Yes.
Black. And what about you?
Mine is blue.
Just like the ocean. Essence. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
What are they up to anyway?
Well, they're working in the Northlight today. Perhaps you should visit them.
Oh, yes, we will tell them that
Even
you told us to
cooking
go.
is happy when people visit.
Hey, that was so cute. That was so cute. Thank you so much. You too.
Essence.
Oh, happy birthday, Essence.
Thank you. That was awesome.
I've never done that before. I was really excited. That was definitely a memory for the books.
Oh my gosh. And now we're about to head through Fantasyland to go find more characters to take pictures with. Yeah. And the end. A beautiful song.
I would like to keep making it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. She got Pixie Dusty.
I got Pixie Dusty. Oh, my video is so cute.
Oh, guys. This is literally just like the best day ever.
I've had a good day like this in a while.
I've been stressed and depressed, and now I'm just. That's okay.
How are you doing? Thank you.
Hello. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. It's her birthday.
Oh, thank you.
And it worked. And it's fine. It's totally fun. I bet you it's up to percent. How are you?
Great, just trying to make sure there's no more posters that get my nose wet.
No, I saw that, but you know I took it down for you. I got you.
Oh, see?
You took them down too, right?
You know.
She's working with Max, buddy. I don't know if
I
you'll see her.
them up.
I'm sorry. Listen, I can run for royalty.
Got you. Get it, girl.
Yes. Oh, love it. Ah, thank you. Hi, Pluto. Yes. Thank you. Oh, you guys are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Hey, hi, Wanda. Whoa, look at that guy. Woo! Thank you.
Do it. Yes, do it. Yes, you got it. Yes. 100%.
Yes, good luck. Bye, good luck. Thank you so much.
You have more than 3 wishes though, right?
Just one.
Just one.
I already seen the genie earlier. Okay. Hi. Thank you. You're crying. I'm not crying. You're crying. Oh, he got the card. Ah! Why did it look like that? What's your thoughts?
Fantastic. Magical. Everyone told her happy birthday.
I like how they go, you!
Look.
First time going to Mickey's Toonstown.
I love
Are they really counting? Yeah. Oh my gosh, we're about to make it.
M-O-U-S.
Hey. Dude, okay, I want to go to... Now what is this?
Check. That's if you're around.
This is much better than playing patty cake.
Happy birthday to Essence. Happy birthday to
Oh, this couch is not comfortable. He needs to get that fixed. I love how Mickey and Minnie have their own houses. Right next door to each other. And we're returning to Toonstown. We'll meet the main cast a little later. I'm so hungry.
Yeah. The goal was to meet princesses today, and we've done that. So now I'm ready for a snackaroo. Never had a Disney pickle. And I'm gonna get one. Can I get it right here? Let's do it.
That's juicy. That's really good. The full pineapple ASMR.
We got the chocolate chip cookies. Half eaten pickle. Are you ready to try it?
It's really gooey and moist.
The shit, it melts in my mouth.
Yeah. Some milk.
We are so high up. Look at y'all. Head back to Toonstown to go ahead and ride the Runaway Railroad.
Yeah. Mickey's Runaway Railroad.
I've not gone on this.
It's my favorite right there.
I'm so excited. It's only a 40-minute wait, so
Yeah, which is really nothing because they go by super fast. And this is one of the rides to where like the wait time is part of the ride because it like builds up to the storyline, so it's worth it.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah. And like I said, my favorite ride. Okay. Hi guys, I'm on the vlog now. We had a little 30-minute break. The ride was temporarily shut down, but they fixed everything with their mystery mouse tools, and now we're ready to go again. Are you excited?
I am a football asleep.
No, I feel you. We were sitting for like a cool 20 minutes, but I will take that as our decomposed time.
Nothing can stop us now. Make it happen. Let's take a ride. It's been the
Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all later.
Time for the ride. Sit back and enjoy. Because I am.
Hey, Mickey, man.
You sure you take good care of our friends.
Wait.
What?
Play together. Now, let's
What the fuck? No! Why are we Goofy, you're not allowed to drive any of our vehicles.
Goofy, your license is revoked.
Get out. Oh my goodness. That was awesome. That was a long ride too. Oh, a gift shop. We have not been in a gift shop.
Oh, Mom. I like it.
On there and happy Origin Day.
Oh, thank you. Whatever that means. Oh!
You.
Listen.
She's blonde, guys.
I was like, yeah, or whatever that meant.
You play the look on your face. You look so confused when she said that.
I was like,
You're like, thank you.
Part of your too?
That would yes.
Oh my god.
Go and see out. You see,
So now we're going to
Winnie the Pooh ride.
yeah, so now we're exiting out of the Star Wars land.
The
And
ride was fun. It made me very nauseous. So like
the ride's the smuggler's run.
yeah, if you're not familiar with the ride, it comes in like 2 rows of 3. So basically, you have your drivers, you have like your pilots, and then you have like your cargo carriers.
Yeah.
If your driver is not good, you will have a bumpy ass ride.
And we had
You
a
will be-
child.
We had a child. He had a great time. He had a blast. Love that for him. Me, on the other hand, my 26-year-old stomach can't handle it.
Oh, you gonna throw that age in there? Cause it's 27.
7.
4-year-old can definitely handle it. So she's like, I'm
not asking me for the drama.
I know. I said, you got that. All right, hold on, y'all. Hold on. See, what was, I told you not to say that. Are you going? Yeah. So right now we're about to go to the fireworks show.
Our popcorn. We're gonna find us a nice little seat so we can see everything and really absorb it
For the first time, actually ever.
No, literally, this is our first time going to Disney, just us.
And so we just finished the fireworks show.
Yes, we did. I held somebody's child.
I recorded on your phone, so if you want to replay it.
It's fine. You know, I am happy and honored to be a part of somebody's early Disney memory. Exactly. I did that.
Listen, we have options, okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You too. Literally, sorry, I devoured my hot dog. It's a chili cheese hot dog from the refreshments corner. It's really bad. Look. And I got chips. No soda though. Woo. Did you get a hot dog and a soda? And I'm eating your chips. Peace out.
I like it.
What mango?
Yeah, like I would not even try it on its own.
He said,
Oh, it's jalapeno.
It's ghost pepper.
I said it tastes like chamoy. It's not really spicy.
I like the fluffy one. Yay! Oh yeah, it comes with pockets. Hi, Minnie. Yay. Thank you. Thank you. Hi. Hi, guys. Hello. Hello again.